Well, YouTube has gone. Buster here, Adventure Biker, back up with the boys again, pissing rain. Boys are just in getting some bits and bobs for their bikes. Just need to watch that, Andy, look.
I tuck it in whatever.
Yeah, so going for a wee blast with the boys. We're at MCS Kilmarnock. Guys are pretty good here. So, just calm down because you're not even ready yet.
Fuck the car.
Fuck the car.
Just two bags in the middle of the road, that's a low bridge.
Surprised you got under it when you're equal, you cunt.
Oh, nice Scottish summer, huh? What? In the wrong side of the road and everything, look, fucking idiot. Fucking melts! Fucking melting the Hyundai, man, look. Woo. We're going straight. Fucking knob end. Fucking dickhead, man. Fucking lucky I never took his fucking wing mirror off the cock. You see that fucking melt?
Right.
Careful in this corner down here. I just you cut me up, you fucking dick. Just follow the road. What fucking idiot decides to come out and fucking ride bike in this weather? Right, be careful when you come under this, down this hill and round this tree, because there's a big puddle of water. Slidey! I ain't bother me, man, fuck's sake. Fucking TT nearly took me out there.
Connection lost.
Fucking fair weather riders, man. Woo! Fuck the order. Woohoo! I can hear somebody talking like R2D2.
Beep, boop, boop, beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
I said was you wouldn't want for out to your phone down this.
Still talking like R2D2.
Oh, yeah. Still come back and hear you, but you can't hear me.
What? No, I don't know who it was that was talking, but it sounded like R2D2. It was going beep, 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 beep. I can hear you alright, Andy. I keep losing group connection because I'm that far in front of you. I'm going to do during the week, if I've got time, I'm going to do a video on Stevie's bike during the week. Then I need to get one of your ones. I don't know whether to do yours before you get the fucking 40 miller or one before and one after. I was thinking that.
Yeah, because like the guy in there said, man, even the Kilmarnock noticed a difference, but it was better, so we worked here well, okay.
Doing both. Doing both. Would you be comfortable riding my bike today?
I don't know about the day, mate. No way being some wet and shit. If it's dry, I'll they bother me.
Fucking pussy!
Oh, so the shirt would be there.
I'm riding anywhere now. Woohoo!
Well, that's apparently my pushy and I like it when it's wet.
I thought she was going to start wiping her ass with that there.
Titty bottle, was it?
Ah, she was wiping her nose and she must have a pocket in her fucking thingies.
I see that disabled toilet, man, it spreads your cheeks.
Fuck me, man, this guy's a fucking melt, man. We're going straight out this roundabout. Same as this fucking... Right, come on you fucking diddy, man! Hurry up, you fucking melt! Fucking hell, man. Pulls it in front of us and then takes about fucking a fortnight to fucking pull away from anywhere.
Just overtake him.
I don't want to do it, but because I know if you will do it.
As long as it's space, mate, we'll all do it.
F this white motor then, right? Wanker.
Using our clear, he's ready to go.
Just get right up the middle. Fuck him.
On it, there's a red motor.
Nah, just stay in the middle, you'll be fine.
You'll all clear it.
Just stay in the chevrons.
Right, we should just start slowing down now, slow down. Fuck you, pal!
Fuck you, Honda! You keep the my dick.
Cause you just God's fat. You're just taking the piss, do you know what I mean? I don't mind, he's gone the speed limit, which is fine, but when he's pulling away really slow as fuck. Like, super slow. Right, taxi driver, fucking hurry up, you know, like, you fucking melt.
Have fun the way home trip.
Ah, well. Catch you later, boys.
Aphrodite.
Aphrodite and all that, big chaps and all that, no?
You're dead afterwards.
Oh, you've got one of them?
Huh?
The metal Tenerife 700 chain guard. Do you get a metal one?
I think so, mate. Rubber? Plastic, then there you have it.
60 quid, he's selling one of them for one that's opened.
Right, cool. On there then.
Everybody.
Catch you later, boys. Hey YouTube, that's us on a Saturday run with the boys. So that was Andy on the Tenerife World Raids, William on the Yamaha Tenerife 700 Rally, Stevie on the DL 650 XT, and obviously me on Big Jock, the Africa Twin. Stay safe, stay rubber side down, and remember, take life one mile at a time. Catch you later.